Good day again. This is Nelca Roco. And when I posted this picture in my Facebook page, some of you are so amazed how I did it. But don't be so amazed because I did not do the 3D file. The client sent me the 3D file and then I just convert it into that 3ds file and then import it into DIALux file and then run the lighting design calculations. Okay, so for Nauman, Farouk, and Shalva, don't be so amazed. I did not I did not do this 3D file. Okay, so how I did this one, actually I already opened it. Okay, so you can see this is a very detailed industrial plant. Even the conveyor and the person operating here at the machine is there. And yeah, I did not created this 3D file and it's really crazy for a lighting designer to create this one. So don't do it. Unless of course they will give you a high commission to do this industrial 3D file. Okay, so how I did this one is the client sent me the 3D CAD file. So this is the 3D CAD file and it's actually 194 MB file. And then I right click on this one and then open with Picon Planner. So once I open it into the Picon Planner, I got the 3D file from there. So once I open, I export this CAD file into that 3ds file. Okay, so you may be asking how I did this one because I cannot open it right now because it's too large and my computer will slow down and I'm doing something and I'm doing some project right now, so I cannot open it. So, but if you want to know how I did it, just go and check some of my YouTube videos. I think I created some of them. It's very easy to import a CAD file into that 3ds. So go and check that one. And then once you make this file into that 3ds, now you can have this kind of thumbnail or file, and then you can now import that 3ds file to your DIALux Evo. And this is the this is the 3ds file that have been created in Picon Planner. So the hero in this project is actually the Picon Planner because I converted the CAD file into that 3ds file without too much sweat because it's really easy. Just go and check my course in Udemy, the DIALux Evo for advanced user, and you will get the idea on how to do it faster and easier and some tips and tricks. And if you want to see how it looks really like the CAD file, you can also import the CAD file here in DIALux Evo. Why I did import this CAD file also, aside from the 3ds file, is because I use the CAD file as a reference of the scale of the 3ds file, because sometimes the 3ds file it's not on the scale properly. So I imported also the CAD file. And if you want to see the CAD file, I will show you something. This is amazing. Okay, so this one I created, you can see this drawing on the floor, that is the CAD file. And if you, because I check this show 2D projection in 3D window. If I uncheck it, look what will happen. Okay, it's taking so much time because the file is really huge and heavy. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, you seen this one? Now it's, even the CAD file is in the 3D mode. Look, okay. You cannot see the flat CAD file now because it's in the 3D. And if I go to the elevation view, okay, I'm not sure because it might blend to the 3ds file. So, but then the CAD file is also in the 3D mode. Okay, let me just move away my 3D file so you can appreciate it. So this is the 3D file. And if I move it somewhere, yes, can you see? That other drawing with the different colors is the CAD file. And I made that one flat so so that my DIALux Evo file will move faster, because if I make this as well as 3D, yeah, it will slow down my computer. So that's the 3D CAD file, and that is the, no, I will not move it. That is the 3ds file from Pecan Planner. Okay, so if your client has this 3ds file in AutoCAD, use that one in your design. It's much better. and faster. If they don't have and they want a 3D object like this one, tell them it takes time and you are not a 3D modeler because you are not a 3D modeler really because you're a lighting designer. But if this is a big commission and they ask you to just do some small details, not the fully detailed, even the machine is there detailed, then yeah, you can do some stairs and maybe platform to run a calculation, but that's it. That's the only thing. Don't do so much details like this one, even the piping. Okay, so yeah, so don't forget, it's very easy. Don't be so amazed about this one. Go and convert your CAD file into that 3ds file using Pican Planner. Pican Planner is a free software, so just go and download it. Okay, so yeah, and this is the result of this project, and yeah, it really looks amazing. I think the client also appreciate this one. This is the render and this is the false color, and yeah, and you can also see the reflections of the lights on the objects and how it affects the overall lighting design calculations, because the objective of this industrial plant is just to highlight the conveyor and the platform to make the people working there safe enough during the emergency and also in the normal operation. And by looking at the false color, you can easily, they have enough light to work on. So that is the only purpose of using the 3D objects. Yeah, to show to the client the shadows where they might have some dark spots on the area. Okay, so yes, and yeah, so if you have any more questions, just go and check my Facebook page and ask me there. I cannot answer immediately, but of course, I read everything. So just go and check that one. Go to my Facebook page, Nelca Roco. And by the way, with my courses in Udemy, I will upload more later on. And of course, don't forget to check my books in Amazon.com. And by the way, somebody also asked me how to get a Arabic version of my book. Okay, so I think yeah, he's in Arabic also. So I am not sure how to translate my book into Arabic, but I will check if Chat GPT can do it for me. Somebody also asked me in a Chinese version, and let's see if I can produce Chinese version of my books and Arabic version. So just let's wait for Chat GPT to do it. I will announce it. Okay, so yep, that's it for now, and I'll see you again on the next video.